Hello guys, today in this video I will guide you how we can make a big profit with using the small balance within limited numbers of trade. Now you can see we have a balance of $20 and I will change this balance into profit and we will make a huge profit with using the small number of trade, and also I will try to make a big profit with small balance. Now you can see our balance are $20 and we can make a big profit. If do you want to make a big profit with the using small balance, then watch our video till the end without any part of skip, and also you can learn something with my video. I will try to guide you the best method of the trading, and I will guide you how you can make a accurate trade with using the small balance within a short time. Now you can see we have placed the sale entry with the full margin. I will guide you why I have placed this entry. Now I have marked the more and more sale entry in with full margin because market are going to sell. Now I have marked the upper bar on the screen. Now I will mark the arrow line on the screen. Now you can see on the screen I have set the arrow line, and I also trying to sell and sell with the full margin because market are going in our favor, and I have marked the lower bar on the screen. This is our maximum target. Now you can see market are going in our favor more and more, and our profit are touch the $58 maximum, and we are trying to more and more sell with the full margin. Now I have tried to close our trade because we have got around double balance easily. Now we have touched the $80 profit, and we have decided to close our trade, and market are closed our trade with $160. This is very heavy profit with the small balance of $20. The market was the big fluctuation, and we have made the big profit easily. Now we will use this $160 profit for the next trade, and we will try to make more profit with using this balance. Now you can see we are in the trading graph, and I have marked the trend line on the screen. This is our trend. Market are going to buy side slow, and we have marked the buy entry with the full margin. As you can see our market are going some up, and we have placed the lower bar on the screen, and also I have marked the arrow line on the screen. Now you can see we have placed the upper bar on the screen. This is the upper bar level, and I hope the market will go more and more upside, but market are still going to downside, but I hope market will never break the trend line on the downside, and market will go and close the candle will upside. Now you can see market are going more and more buy side, and we are trying to place the more and more buy entry with the full margin. Now you can see our profit are still running at $50, and also you can see market have touched the $1,100 easily, and market have big jump on the buy side. Now you can see market again some downside, but I hope market will go more and more upside, and we will make a big profit, and we will close with the big balance. Now you can see market touch around $1,258 easily, and we will check the balance of $1,500 in the profit. We have closed our trade instantly. Now you can see our total balance are $1,648. Now you can see we have started this account with the small balance with the $20, and we have made the big profit with using this balance. As you can see we have started this balance of the account. I have made only 2, 3 or 4 trades with the starting balance are $20 and our total profit is, it's very amazing. This is our technique. If you want to make this big profit, then you can watch our video till the end, and also you can make a profit. And if you want to make this profit, then try in only in demo account, never start in real account, because this trading are risky and you can lose your money easily. And then I have advice for you, start in the demo account. If you got a big success, then try in real account for making money. If this channel video is only for education purpose only, I am not your financial advisor. So if you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to if you want a signal, then I have a link in the video description. You can join our Telegram group. There I am trying to give the signals for you. It's only free of cost.